So this is the zip line ride at it be danger, yo. Zip line ride. Zip line ride at Bunso Eco Park, you understand? That's how they do it. Very entertaining, fun loving, but dangerous potentially. If you joke, you could be losing your life anytime. So we have the senior man himself inside. And this is the zip line. This is what we call the zip line. This exercise, maybe immersion in the house. So that's how it is done. This thing, if you are not, mentally prepared, don't just try, because you can kill yourself. Look at how high that thing is. High up. So that's how they operate it. As I said earlier on, this is Bunso Eco Park. Independence Day Bash show. Fun time with Wendy Shea, who has been built to perform just this afternoon. So keep your fingers crossed. Everything shall be happening live here. Don't go anywhere. This forest area, I think it looks sick. It looks smart. Very crazy. Very dope, you know. You see the fresh girls in the house. You have fresh girls in the building. So nothing to fear. You see them, right? Pretty girls in the house. It'd be crazy. Boss, senior man. But we in a zip line now. But we are friendly there. Please, what's the name of this activity?
Adult swing.
Adult swing. Okay. I thought that was the zip line.
No. Today we are not free.
Okay. A lot of fun. So the operators here are telling me this is actually what we call the adult swing. So they hang you up in the air inside the basket and you just swing like a pendulum, you understand? Swinging like a pendulum under the force of gravity, back and forth till it comes to a rest, and then they release you and you go your way. It's not easy. It's not easy. If you love life, don't try this. This is for those who are ready to just go crazy, go mad at any time, you see. So watch out, a young lady over there is about to be thrown is about to be subjected to this swing.
Okay, so this is adult swing.
Adult swing.
Yeah.
I don't know. That means it's zip line.
This one is next one.
Ah.
So this is Maggie on show. Yeah.
Charlie, this thing.
My girl can do it.
You're shorty that. Hey. Can you see what I'm seeing? Hey. Look at her. Look at her. I mean. Can you see what I'm seeing? Hey, good shot. So she's crying. She's crying. I don't know. She's crying, like serious crying. You know, we small crying. She's afraid to lose her life, you know. You sign up for this experiment, that's what you go through. Anything can happen to you. Swinging inside a basket, tied between some tall. I don't know whether that be coconut trees or whatever. Crazy experiment, but worth the effort. You see the fun. If you come here, the fun is unlimited. So yeah, that's the entrance over there. I swear, this is so loving. Hey, yeah, take on one. Mama, Arepa, what are you? Hey, who you?
Let me catch them. I'm a friend, come.
Hey.